Okay, this is the first part of the video I'm going to put up, which I'm actually filming the following day. These are the lights I filmed last night, the Baxia LED motion sensor solar powered lights. I got these on Amazon. That's the name. There's a little tag. I had these in my watch list on my Amazon page. And whenever they have like a super sale on them, they pop up in your email. So I paid $24 for 4 of these. So $6 a piece. Tried them out last night. When you watch the second part of the video, which I filmed last night, you're going to see a lot of blackness. That's just dark. It's dark out here in the woods. There's no light, which is why I bought these. So here's one over here. This is on the driveway side. And then I got the other one over here where you come into the door. And when you watch the second part of this video, you'll see how well they lit up. And I attached those using adhesive Velcro, super Velcro straps I bought. You cut them to size. You stick one piece on the, what you want it to stick to, the wall, whatever, in this case a trailer, my camper. And then the other piece on the back of the light, and just stick them on, and if you want to take them off, you just rip the Velcro off. And I've got these holding up fire extinguishers there. That stuff's really strong. So anyway, that's the second part, or this is the first part of the video I did last night on these Baxia solar powered LED motion sensor lights. Got a fairly good size solar chip up there. And out here in the woods, it's pitch black at night. You can't see your hand in front of your face. So I'm glad I bought them, and we'll see how long they work. Alright, that's it. That's the Baxia solar powered sensor light. Lights up. It stays on for about 30 seconds. Throws a good beam of light, so it's pretty cool. I'm happy. Alright, that's it. That's it for the update for this. Over and out. Alright here YouTube, I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to do this video backwards. I just installed these Baxia, I think they're called. They're solar powered LED motion sensor lights. And they're pretty damn bright. It's almost 9 o'clock at night out here in the woods, and I'm here to tell you, I come home the other night about 9 o'clock. I couldn't see nothing. I couldn't barely even see this camper. So anyway, I'm going to go over here and trip these lights. And hopefully it'll pick up here on the camera. So they're pretty damn bright. Alright, I'm going to stop moving and see if I can set one off. Alright, here's one. They're lighting up the solar panels. See my four-wheeler over there. I got another one on this side. This one here is a little higher. Oh, there it goes. I've been watching these now for about maybe 3 months. I had them on my Amazon feed. And they came on the other day with like the super deal of the day or whatever they call it. And they were $24 for 4 of them. So $6 a piece. Pretty damn bright. And that's my driveway down there. You can't see nothing. They last about 30 seconds. I just thought I'd show that. Like I said, the other night I come home, I couldn't see a damn thing. I'm going to take the camera and point it down my driveway where I come in. As you see, you can't see your hand in front of your face except for the fireflies. Let that thing turn off for a minute. I just want to show you how dark it really is out here. And it's probably an hour away from complete blackness out here. I got home the other day with like I said, 9 o'clock, 9:30. I shut the lights off in my truck. I couldn't see nothing. Okay, just shut off. Let's see, I'm gonna walk up here. See if I can't trip this light on. Okay, there's that one. I walk over here to my door. Okay, there's the second one. All right, there you go. Baxia, I think they're called. I'll take some pictures of it in the Amazon link. I think they're pretty cool. Definitely affordable. And when you live out here in the woods, you got no lights whatsoever. That's a pretty big deal. It's 1.2 milliamp hour piece, 1.2 amps each. Seem to work pretty good. All right, that's it for now.